Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to do a deep clean on your Canon TS8351a. So first, go over to settings. Now select maintenance and select deep cleaning. Here it will ask if you want to continue because it requires a lot of ink. For example, when you go into the cleaning, then it will only ask you if you want to start cleaning, and it also uses the ink. So as you guys can see, it will require a lot more. So it's only up to you. If you've got some ink left that you don't need and you want a deep clean, then basically you guys can go for it. But my ink is running out and I don't want to waste it all. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.